Hi all. It was indeed an action-packed week for our markets. Rather, we should say for global markets. Trading started on Monday with a decent upside gap, owing to favorable global cues. However, this turned out to be a formality as index gave up a major portion of its morning gains. This was followed by a bout of profit booking to mark one of the weakest sessions in the recent past. But the real action started from there on. On the following day, we witnessed a massive bump up at the opening, courtesy to smart rallies in global peers after the recent development on the vaccine. Everything looked hunky dory, but post Reliance AGM, the stock took a nosedive, and so as our markets. We were back to 10,600, but again the market had completely different plans as we witnessed a smart recovery first and then a consistent rally to conclude the week at a new 4 months high. Our market saw a roller coaster move throughout this week. In fact, during the day, also swings were wild, barring Friday session where we witnessed a unidirectional move, which was northwards. Now let's see what charts have to say for the forthcoming sessions. We had anticipated a possible breakout from the sturdy wall of 10,850 during this week. Honestly speaking, we expected it in the initial part of the week, but first we went through a correction, and hence the conviction became stronger during the midst of the week about Nifty surpassing this hurdle soon. Finally, with Friday's late surge in banking conglomerates, Nifty has confirmed a breakout about 10,850, which resembles a bullish flag pattern on daily chart. Now the banking seems to have regained strength, which we believe should lead the move in the forthcoming week. As far as levels are concerned, the up move should ideally get extended towards the 78.6% retracement zone of 11,200, 11,100. In the previous commentary also, we had mentioned these levels and anticipated a possible correction after reaching these levels. But since we have already seen a small decline early this week, we will have to reassess the situation whether the markets have further steam left to go beyond it or not. So from here on, one step at a time would be the strategy to follow, and better to timely book profits as well in the rally. Traders are advised to keep following stock specific moves, and the base now remains at 10,660, 10,550. As far as trading ideas are concerned for the forthcoming week, Bharat Forge is the one stock that we have been closely tracking, and this stock has given a decisive breakout on Thursday. So we expect a good move to continue in this particular counter. Stock can be bought for a target of 405, stop at 362. Apart from this, the SBI cards, which has been one of the hyped and popular IPOs in the recent years, now it has given a V-shaped recovery after undergoing a massive price-wise correction. The stock has already, marked its highest close ever. So, looking at the recent development, we expect this move to extend. Stock can be bought for a target of 825. Stop would be around 712. From the option segment, we like a couple of ideas. Apollo Hospital, which has been consolidating, struggling to surpass its recent hurdles. On Friday, we witnessed a late surge, which resulted into a confirmation of breakout. So 1500 call option was quite attractive, closed around 50-52. It can be bought for a target of 75, stop at 36. Apart from this, Berger Pent, which has seen good traction on Friday, so 520 strike was quite buzzing on Friday, so we recommend going long in this strike price for a target of 30. Stop would be around 7.8. Thank you.